How to connect AliExpress to Amazon. Now, if you want to connect your AliExpress to Amazon, there is no direct option in either Amazon or AliExpress to do that. But what you can do is to check your product list from AliExpress and manually copy everything from AliExpress to Amazon, and that way it will look very similar and you can have the feel of AliExpress in Amazon or Amazon to AliExpress. Or the other option here is to use the third-party applications or websites in order to connect your AliExpress to Amazon. And one of the many options is AutoDS, which is very easy to use. You just simply need to open the website of autods.com, and after that tap to get started button. Then you need to create an account in AutoDS, and after that you are going to see the option of Amazon from here. You need to select the Amazon selling channel from this page. Then you can buy the suitable pack for you, which is either annual or monthly, to use the feature to connect AliExpress to Amazon. And after you buy this, AutoDS will connect your Amazon with AliExpress very easily, and this is how you can do it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.